Starting our day off here, we got some organic yogurt, and then I'm gonna add some triple berry. I wish I was recording that, but this guy using like a newer Civic, he's just got his hand out the window like this. He's like, yo, that thing's hard. Stuff like that is super positive, man. That just like totally uplifted my mood. Just that small little interaction for the day. Today, I want to talk about the importance of having a purpose, right? So like the importance of waking up with a purpose, because I think that's everybody's problem. That's honestly, I feel like that's my problem right now. And although I have things going on for me, sometimes I wake up and I'm like, dude, like, what is my purpose today? You know what I mean? But like I was saying earlier, I can have all these things, right? I can have this nice car, which I'm grateful for, guys. I'm grateful for this nice car. I can have money in my accounts. I can have a job. I can have clothes, all these things. But I feel like if you don't have a purpose, like a mission when you wake up, you are literally either gonna be unhappy. There's gonna be a sense of like emptiness, unhappiness, or some type of like depression going on. And it's crazy because I think everybody has stuff going on in their life, but when you're in a kind of a low spot, you're like, dude, you start like assessing the situation, like, why am I here? What the hell's going on? Everything's going good. So here, let me see if I could get a picture from the backside. But like, look at that. On the inner part there, it's all worn. So waking up and just like, I feel like I'm guilty for this too, is like waking up and just hopping on your phone first thing in the morning, you know, checking things or whatever. And then like, it's easy to get consumed in that, right? And then it's all about time, right? So you could find yourself essentially wasting a lot of time stuck on your phone when you could be productive and doing other things. So I feel like the point of today's video is that if I can help in any way, would be to wake up, and this is what I'm working on now too myself. Obviously, you guys know, like, I got some stuff going on, guys. I've been in this weird funk, and it's cool. I'm gonna be good, but it's like I've been in this weird funk and stuff. So the best thing I could recommend is like, get up, plan your day, like have staying up late doesn't help either, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I would say that, you know, waking up, planning your day, wake up like decently early. It's been tough for me lately because I flip my schedule because I work nights, just waking up every day and writing stuff down, guys, and like getting tasks completed and stuff, even if it's small, right? Just do like small tasks. That helps me a lot. And then doing those tasks will basically, you know, essentially motivate you to get into to do another task. I hope this video helps you guys out, man. I want to say thanks to everybody who stopped in on my last video and checked in on me. I'm doing good, guys. You know, woke up today breathing. That's a really good start to the day. A lot of things left that I need to get done to this car. Alignment, new tires need to go on. I have to raise the car up. Emissions test needs to get finished. So yeah, retune. I think purpose determines literally everything, especially for men. I'm not saying it doesn't work for women as well, but like for men, we have to always be on a mission. At least I do. It's like imprinted in my genetics that I always have to be doing something or like busy to be like fulfilled, sense fulfillment. Even working on my car, like doing a small task on my car, it makes me like, it just gets me in the zone and it's like beneficial. So yeah, I feel like I wanted to make this video for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed. Be sure to give me a like, drop your love down below, and stay tuned for some more content as spring approaches, or should I say spring's already here. I plan on, you know, obviously doing a few things to this, and yeah, just enjoying this car for what it is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna transition more into the vlog style, and I feel like it's where my true passion comes. It makes me happy when I'm talking about like either stuff I'm going through or like talking with you guys about what you guys are going through. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all for the love. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.